Today is the lesson W, and the sound is W, W, W. And the W and the H sound is W, W, W. And it has the same sound. W. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Children Guzman. I am 3 years old. 1, 2, 3. This is my drill.
Is that your special guest today?
Yeah. Today is the lesson W, and the sound is W, W, W. And the W and the H sound is W, W, W. And it has the same sound. W.
When you see the W, the sound is?
Drill. Whoa!
And when you see the W and the H together, the
Wow,
sound is also?
wow, 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 wow,
Say whoa, whoa.
whoa, 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 whoa,
They have the
whoa.
same
Sound.
Like this one. You read it, say the sound, okay?
Went. Like you went in the bedroom.
Like when you went,
Yeah.
that means you go to a place,
Huh?
go somewhere.
On one leg and one race. We, like you, we.
Like you and mommy, no? Like Caleb and mommy, you say we. We are inside the house.
Win, what's win?
When you win the race, when there's a contest and somebody got the first place,
A
first
trophy?
place.
A trophy?
Yeah.
Don't make a smudge.
Okay.
No smudges. Wheel.
What's the sound of the letter E?
Well.
Well.
Don't make smudges, okay?
Next time.
There's no smudges there. Ash, wash, like a razor hand. Water. Like you water, like in the tub. This water and in the dump truck. Yeah, that's so silly. Wall. Like that wall up there.
Yes.
Eat. Huh?
What?
Eat.
When you see the S and the H, the sound is?
Wish.
Wish.
Like you wish a drill.
Like when your birthday, I say, Caleb, what's your birthday wish? What's your birthday wish?
A drill.
Oh, now you have the drill.
Will.
Again, what's the word?
Will.
What's the sound of the letter I?
Wheel. Weep. Winter. Like a splinter in the outside.
Yeah. When there is no.
Yeah.
Oh, now, when you see the W and the H,
Oh, what's that?
it's an underline.
Did you put it right up the T?
Yeah, so you can see that the W and the H also has the same sound like the W. Say the sound.
Eat wheat. What's wheat?
It's a food.
When? What's when?
When is your birthday?
October 31, 2016. Well, I done my drill. What?
Where?
Where was the drill?
Yeah, when you ask for a place or the location of something.
Here. At what? Like in the ceiling. Like in the ceiling, Mommy.
Yes.
Why? Like why in the spelling?
Like, why do you like to play?
Because I like to play with the drill.
Oh, now we're going to read few sentences, okay? With the WH and the W sound.
When will we start?
Oh, flip it.
When we will start?
Oh, you flip it now.
That's number 2.
It's a question mark.
That looks like a number 2.
Yeah, but it's a question mark.
I want to win.
Yeah, you want to win.
Oops.
Next sentence.
These are the bigger you.
It's the letter U, uppercase U. It's a sight word. You just say use.
Use.
When you see the E and the A, the sound is?
Oh.
Again, start from the beginning.
Use clean water to wash your car.
Oh, flip it. Oh, it's blank?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You didn't read something in there.
It's blank. Okay.
What is this? Why can't you?
Oh, what's this?
We
Fly.
fly in the sky.
Why can't we fly in the sky?
Because we're not birds.
We don't have wings.
Yeah.
Next.
We have no wings because the drill has no wings too. I will wash the dishes. I wash the dishes, Mommy.
Yeah. Just this one.
I don't know the story. Winter is WINTE and
Oh, you need to say the sound. You say the sound now.
winter is here. I
Where?
wear a red jacket. It keeps me warm in the winter. I
Where?
wear a green hat and green milk.
Say the sound, the letters.
What
What sound the I?
Smittles.
It's a letter E.
Eat mittens green.
Again. Oh, you're here. Forgot. You skipped the line.
My hands are warm and
Oh, it's that and? What's that?
and any green mittens.
Good job! Good job!
This is the drill, and it's used to prepare waters, and it goes drilling out and going there. Bye everybody, see you next. Bye everybody, don't forget to click the button below and subscribe to my channel. Bye! This is my drill.
Is that your special guest today?
Yeah. Look, it has a forward, backward, and forward.
Can I see it?
Backward,
Can you show it to me?
Forward, backward,
The button?
forward, backward, forward, backward. Is it drilling time?